Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Imagine this. You land in Portugal. You step into a cafe. Someone smiles at you and says something you don't understand. You freeze. You smile awkwardly, and you wish you just knew what to say. But here's the good news. You don't need to be fluent to make a great first impression. You just need a few simple phrases said with confidence. In this lesson, we're going to slow everything down, step by step, clear, simple, natural. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to introduce yourself in European Portuguese with confidence. Take your time. Repeat after me. Let's begin. Let's start with the most important word, hello. In European Portuguese, you say olá. Simple, soft, natural. Let's say it together. Olá. Again, olá. Good. You can use this in almost any situation. Friendly, polite, easy. Now let's introduce yourself. You say, chamo-me. This means, my name is. So if your name is Alex, you say, chamo-me Alex. Let's break it down slowly. Chamo-me. Now your name. Chamo-me. Again. Chamo-me. Perfect. There's also a simpler, more casual way. You can say, sou, which means I am. So you can say, sou Alex. Let's try it. Sou. Again. Sou. Great. Both are correct. Chamo-me is slightly more formal. Sou is more casual. Now let's ask the other person. What's your name? You say, ¿Cómo te llamas? Let's go slowly. ¿Cómo te llamas? Again, ¿Cómo te llamas? Good. If you want to be more formal, you can say, ¿Cómo se llama? Use this with strangers or in polite situations. After names, we say something polite. In Portuguese, you say, muito prazer. It means, nice to meet you. Let's try it. Muito prazer. Again, muito prazer. Excellent. Now let's add more detail. You can say, sou de, which means, I am from. For example, sou de Inglaterra. I am from England. Try it with your country. Sou de. Again, sou de. Very good. To ask someone else, where are you from, you say, ¿De onde es? Let's repeat. ¿De onde es? Again, ¿de onde es? Perfect. If you want to share your age, you say, tenho años. This means, I am years old. Example, tenho 25 años. Let's try it. Tenho años. Again, tenho años. Great. Now let's build a full introduction. Listen first, then repeat. Olá, chamo-me Alex. Sou de Inglaterra. Tenho 25 años. Muito prazer. Now you try. Take it slow. Olá, chamo-me. Sou de. Tenho años. Muito prazer. Again, smoothly this time. Olá, chamo-me. Sou de. Tenho años. Muito prazer. Excellent. Don't rush. Portuguese has a rhythm. Soft, flowing. Let the words connect. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on clarity. And most importantly, confidence. Because even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, people will appreciate your effort. And that's how real learning begins. So today, you've learned how to introduce yourself in European Portuguese. Simple phrases, real conversations, practical language. Now here's what matters. Practice. Repeat these phrases. Say them out loud. Use them whenever you can. Because language is not learned by watching. It's learned by doing. And the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. So take your time, stay consistent, and step by step, you'll start speaking with confidence.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.